Welcome back to the channel or Facebook page. I'm going to be doing kind of a limited video on this project just because shooting the video takes so much extra time. I have a limited amount of time. I have a window of some good weather this week. It's going to be getting cooler, but I got these windows, actually got them at the dump. Some guy was getting rid of them. Perfectly fine double pane windows, crankouts. And I'm going to put them here in this corner of the house. The reason is behind me. The sun comes in the morning on this side, and I'm going to take the wall out between what is now was a bedroom. Now it's kind of storage room, and expand the kitchen. So I'm going to put windows here. So I'm going to put more glass, get more light into the house and into the kitchen, expand the kitchen, have it just redesigned a little bit. So I just started taking the window trim off. It's called brick mold, and it's they put it in there with like 12-penny galvanized nails. So just taking that one trim piece off was took me like 10 minutes. So we'll see how this project goes, and I'll do a few videos here and there, but not a big video on home reconstruction. I got the siding off of this side. I've decided to use just one of the larger crank out windows here and take this window and put it around to that side. Then it's going to match the other window, and this one will be 4 feet by 4 feet. As a rough outline, a rough opening. So I'll cut that siding off and get that ready for moving the window. So I got the rough opening plus a little bit for the molding, the window trim. So now I got to cut a hole in the wall. Cut once, measure twice kind of job, or measure 3 times, because I am cutting a hole in the side of my house. And then go from there. Let's see what I got. had to go into town to get some lumber. I knew I had to today, but I wasn't sure what I would need until I took this apart. Got some 2x4s and some screws and gap filler, styrofoam stuff. So it's getting late in the day, almost 4 o'clock. Hammock time. Finish this tomorrow. At least try to finish it tomorrow. As I said at the beginning of this video, I wasn't going to do a lot of video just because it takes a lot of time. This took a lot of time as it was. That window used to be there. That's a new window that I got at the dump 2 years ago. So I wanted to put more light into this corner room, which is eventually going to be the kitchen, as I mentioned earlier. So I had to reframe everything and then put the siding in. Just very time consuming, up and down the ladder a bunch, but it's just about done. I just put the last siding piece just above the window, and that alone took me about an hour just try to get that fitted in there. So it's done, and there's a nice bright light coming into that room. And now it's 4:30, just about happy hour and fishing time.